Today we're going to wash the RV couch and I'm going to show you guys the before and after. I love the way that the cushions...
Whoa, hey.
What?
You're going to show who the before and after or what?
I'm going to record the before and after.
Of what?
Of the couch cushions.
No. You're not showing them our couch cushions. They're disgusting. You can't show that to the world.
Well, that's the before and after.
Because they can't see it like this. That's gross.
I'm going to show you guys the before.
No, we're not. You're disgusting. What is wrong with you?
These are pretty tragic. So we're going to actually strip the cushions off and take them over to the laundromat.